Welcome to our lecture online. Sometimes the type of problem we encounter is something we're familiar with, but it doesn't look like it until we see the connection. So here we have two binomials multiplied together. Notice that the first two terms are the same. The last two terms are the same. We have a plus and a minus here. That looks just like the general form of a plus b multiplied times a minus b. Notice the first two terms are the same. The last two terms are the same. The signs are different. This results in the first term squared minus the second term squared. And so since it looks exactly the same, we can use the same principle. So this becomes the first term squared, so x to the 5/2 quantity squared, minus the last term squared, which is 3 to the 1/2 quantity squared. And then we just simply have to simplify that. Notice when we have an exponent raised to exponent, we must multiply. So this becomes x to the 5/2 times 2 minus 3 to the 1/2 times 2. And then here you can see the 2's cancel out. They cancel out there as well. So this becomes x to the 5th minus 3 to the 1st power, which is simply minus 3. And that is how that's done.